How to get any ringtone on iPhone. Today in this video I will show you exactly that, so follow up with me. We'll be using this GarageBand application, so go ahead and download it from App Store and then open it, and then when you open it, tap right here on this plus. From here, scroll until you find audio recorder, tap on it. Once you do, tap on this symbol right here. From here, tap on the small plus to the right. From this window, tap on the 8 bars. Now increase them until you reach 30. After that, tap away. Tap right here on this symbol. Tap on files. In here you should find your audio file that you want to make as a ringtone. So just long tap on it and then drag it to the screen right here. You can tap on the audio file and then tap on these borders right here to maybe trim it from the beginning or the end. I just want to leave it like that, so I'm just going to tap away and then tap on this arrow right here. From here I tap on my songs. It will be saved right here, so I long tap on my file that I have just used right now, and then I tap on share. After that I tap on ringtone. Now in this screen I'll need to give it a name. I'm just going to name it example, and then tap on done. After that, from here just go to your settings, go to sounds and haptics, tap on ringtone, and you'll find your audio file right here that you can just tap on it to use it as a ringtone. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.